Oh, I forgot to tell you. So this week's YouTube video that I'm doing is going to be all about not having any food in the fridge for a week.
For a whole week?
Yeah, but we're going to be fine. It's going to be good. They'll take care of it.
How about milk? I need milk for my coffee.
Right. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting organic powdered milk from Amazon. Typically each week, I give you a recipe, but this week we're gonna do something a little differently. This week, I'm gonna teach you how to eat healthy and save money without cooking. So what I wanna show you today is how to purchase products that are in bulk, but those products are no good to you if you're throwing them in the garbage because they're freezer burned or you haven't eaten all of them. My goal today is to take prepared frozen items, season them if they need it, bag them into individual portions. I'm gonna show you how long it takes and how much it costs per meal. Because it's just me and my wife, I'm gonna put about 16 ounces of product into each one of these bags, enough to feed the two of us. And the bags are BPA free, so when you buy yours, make sure that they're BPA free. Also, if you use Johnson & Johnson Ziploc bags, they are BPA free.
That was easy.
This is raw, organic sauerkraut. Super good for you, full of probiotics. There's a lot of freaking sauerkraut. I'm not sure if you can eat all this. I can't eat all this sauerkraut, so freezing it's not a bad option. I wasn't even sure if I could freeze this, but I said, hey, let me take a chance. Took some of it, put it in the freezer, defrosted it, still held up. Can use this in sous vide as well. The downside is though, this sauerkraut is not meant to be cooked. If you cook it, you kill all the probiotics. But it's still organic and it's pretty tasty.
That was easy.
Look at this, they're already sous vide'd. Cool. So here's how you vacuum seal without a vacuum sealer. Take your product, put it in an extra heavy duty Ziploc bag, and take the whole bag, submerge it in water. And the pressure that surrounds the bag will push the air out. And as you sink the bag into the water, trying not to get water in the bag obviously, you will basically create a small vacuum. Seal it, and that's the end of that. Pretty straightforward. Not as good as a vacuum sealer, but not too bad either. If frozen, depending on how much you put in the pot, 30 to 45 minutes to heat up.
Hey, take it easy.
Hey, I'm 51 years old and I honestly feel better now than I did when I was 25 years old. I have better mental clarity now and better energy levels than I did when I was a teenager. And I attribute that specifically to the food that I consume. You can't get your nourishment from anywhere else. Your body needs healthy ingredients. And because of that, I'm able to achieve more in one day than the average person achieves in a week. I'm no superhero. I just have the ability to be more productive because I'm on my game. And part of that, or a big part of that, is the food that I eat. Probably the biggest part of it. So be selective about what you consume. Watch what you eat. Make sure that what you're eating agrees with your body. Even if you have to take like notes, it's super important to be aware of the things that your body wants. Also, avoid chemicals, preservatives, additives, synthetic food. Read the labels on everything that you purchase. Because after all, what good is it if you don't feel good in life or you get older and you wind up wasting all your time going to physicians and they can't help you if the whole system is corrupted because of the food that you've been eating. They won't even know what's wrong with you. So be selective, take your time. It's a long process to figure out what your body needs, but be in tune with it and make sure that you tell your friends. You don't want to be 100 years old and alone. You want your friends to be healthy too. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this on social media. I truly appreciate you watching this, and I'll be putting out other videos soon.